नमो विष्णुपादाय कृष्णप्रेष्ठाय भूतले श्रीमते भक्तिवेदान्त स्वामिनिति नामिने नमस्ते सारस्वते देवे गौरवाणी प्रचारिणे निर्विशेषशून्यवादी पाश्चात्यदेशतारिणे हे कृष्ण करुणा सिंधु दीनबंधो जगतपते गोपेश गोपिकाकांत राधाकांत नमोस्तुते तप्त कांचन गौरांगी राधे वृंदावनेश्वरी वृषभानुसुते देवी प्रणमामि हरिप्रिये वाञ्छाकल्पतरुभ्यश्च कृपा सिन्धुभ्य एव च पतितानां पावनेभ्यो वैष्णवेभ्यो नमो नमः हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे। सो वेलकम बैक डियोटीज। हमने लास्ट टाइम चर्चा किया था श्रीमद् भागवतम 5.14.7 and this time we will be discussing on the next verse, which is the 8th verse of the 14th chapter of the 5th canto of Srimad Bhagavatam. So you can check out the earlier videos too, but we will be continuing from this particular verse. सो श्रील प्रभुपाद की जय, श्रीमद् भागवतम महापुराण की जय। सो द वर्स गोस लाइक दिस। अथ कदाचिन्निवास पानीय द्रविणाद्य अनेकात्मोपजीवनाभिनिवेश एतस्यां संसारात् तव्याम इतस्ततः परिधावति. So this is the particular verse, and skipping the synonyms, we'll be jumping directly to the translation. So here Srila Prabhupada translates this particular verse of Srila Shukdev Goswami like this, that he says, sometimes the conditioned soul, we all are the conditioned soul, is absorbed in finding residential quarters or apartments. Here, in reality, what is happening, that during the time of Srila Shukdev Goswami and Parikshit Maharaj, when they were discussing this Srimad Bhagavatam, so at that time these residential quarters, apartments, like multi-story buildings were not present at that time. So Shrupad, because he is a modern day acharya, he has because for the understanding of the fallen souls like us, because we are Kalyugi Baddha Jivas, we don't understand the Vedic principles. So that's why for only our understanding, Srila Prabhupada has translated this into this way, so that we can understand, because we can see that many people are there, that they are constantly finding, they are switching from place to place to find some comfortable residential place. Like I was in contact with a person, he was changing his residential every 3 to 4 months, because he is not finding that particular place as comfortable for himself. So like this it is, because इसमें क्या है कि वो कंडीशन सोल का है ना, उसका यही स्वभाव बन चुका है भाई, बिकॉज we are in reality we are belonging to the spiritual world, but what happens that we have come here in this totally opposite environment of this material world. That's why we are thinking that अगर हम यहाँ पे रहेंगे, अभी मैं यहाँ पे रह रहा हूँ, पर शायद मैं दूसरी जगह चला जाऊँ तो मैं खुश हो जाऊँगा। फिर वो वहाँ पे चले जाते हैं कि समझ लो कोई एक बहुत अमीर घर वाले है, अमीर हो गए एक व्यक्ति, और वो पहले से पुराने घर में रह रहा है। सो व्हाट ही डज कि वो एक नया और एक अच्छा, बहुत अच्छा फ्लैट या बंगला बांधेगा खुद के लिए, एंड ही थिंक्स दैट उसके लिए भी और प्रयत्न करेगा कि और पैसा इकट्ठा करेगा, और पैसा और पैसा और पैसा, फिर उसको वो घर बनाने में लगेगा। सो व्हाट ही थिंक्स इंटरनली दैट आई एम राइट नाउ इन दिस प्लेस, पर अगर मैं उस जगह, जो नई जगह मैं बना रहा हूँ, उसमें चला जाएगा, देन आई विल बी हैप्पी। But the reality is the same, that because in this material world no one has become satisfied in this life. So that's why that particular person is still frustrated because he still finds faults that अरे इसमें ये नहीं है, वो नहीं है, इसमें ये गलती है, इतना दूर कैसे आ गए, अब हमारे रिलेटिव्स दूर हो चले चले गए, हमको और दूर जाना पड़ेगा. सो देर आर कॉन्स्टेंटली सम थिंग्स कि उसको चिंता होती रहती है कि अरे ये कैसे होगा, वो कैसे होगा. सो because it is kuntha jagat, and the spiritual world is vaikuntha, it is non anxiety, there is no anxiety in the spiritual world. And the opposite is here, it is anxiety, kuntha jagat, the material world is referred as. And getting a supply of water and riches to maintain his body. Yes, everyone in this material world, from the dogs to the hogs to the every 84 lakh species, including the human beings, are in this only कि दो वक्त की रोटी, पानी, खाना और शेल्टर, बस इतना उसके लिए एक व्यक्ति क्या क्या नहीं करता उसका जीवन, पूरा जीवन. और जब मृत्यु के घड़ी पे आता है तो वो सोचता है कि मैंने क्या किया पूरा जीवन, बस because he just has live a life of a dog only. And or we can say a donkey, because a donkey, what he does, that if you put a carrot and a stick to a donkey, he thinks that ek kadam chaluga, then I will be satisfied after eating that carrot. After second step, third step, like this he works whole of his life for that one carrot. And finally he dies serving the master. So like that only, many people, all the people, we can say 99% of this material world are doing this only to serving to that 1% of people and making them richer, rich and richer. So this is the present conditional state of the current society. So absorbing, here Sharpad says that absorbed in acquiring a variety of necessities, he forgets everything and and everything, and perpetually runs around the forest of material existence. Sometimes he acquires his necessities, अगर उसका अच्छा किस्मत अच्छा रहा हो, as the providence says, and और उसका अच्छा नहीं रहा तो भी उसको भटकता रहता है. अगर उसका किस्मत अच्छा रहा, उसको सब कुछ मिल गया, तो भी वो भटकता रहता है. बिकॉज आई हैव टोल्ड, आई मतलब मैंने उसको एग्जाम्पल दिया इसका एक बार एक लेक्चर में, that there is lust. Lust means desire. Any desire means lust, not only sex desire. So the lust, if it is satisfied, it branches into greed. And वो लस्टी डिज़ायर का और इच्छा करेगा आपको कि उसको और पूरी करो, और पूरी करो, मोर एंड मोर, और चाहिए. एंड इफ दैट लस्ट इज नॉट फुलफिल्ड ऑफ दैट पर्सन, that lust comes, मतलब वो lust, it is transferred into anger. So either way, this lust, if it is not engaged in the service of the Lord Shri Shri Radha Giridhari, then this lust is like आगे खाई पीछे कुआ. wherever I go there is only my, मतलब मेरा ही वो होगा, क्या कहते हैं, मेरा ही नाश होने वाला है. So that's the thing, we have to understand this, because we are in this material world, we have to manage everything. So yes, this was the small explanation on the translation, elaborated. Yes, purport is a little big, we can also consider to explain this too. Hare Krishna, Srila Prabhupada ki jai. As originally mentioned, a poor man belonging to the mercantile community, Vaishya, goes to the forest to get some cheap goods to bring back to the city to sell at a profit. He is so absorbed in the thought of maintaining body and soul together that he forgets his original relationship with Krishna and seeks only the bodily comfort. So yes, we have to understand this. It is for the material people also, and also with the deities who are engaged, who are brahmachari medhi or griha medhi devotees, we can say. They are trying to enjoy and enjoy more and more enjoy. Brahmachari के लिए भी it is possible that if he has the enjoying mentality, because at particular place we are वो हो सकता है कि what happens, हम उतना बॉडी के ख्याल में आ जाता है that I have to eat, I have to sleep, नाउ टुमारो आई हैव टू, हमको ये तो बेसिक नेसेसिटीज है, बट कभी कभी हम बहुत सोचने चालू कर देते हैं कि मुझे ये कपड़ा चाहिए, आई हैव टू वेयर दिस, आई हैव टू डू दिस, आई हैव टू कट माई हेयर लाइक दिस, आई हैव टू पुट माई तिलक लाइक दिस, तो लोग मुझे देखे। और मतलब किसी को कुछ एक मतलब वो दुनिया में बोलते हैं कि किसी को कुछ घंटा फर्क नहीं पड़ता कि तुम कैसा दिखते हो, तुम जी रहे हो कि मर मर गए हो करके। बट वी थिंक दैट वो मुझे ऐसा देखेगा, वो मुझे ऐसा देखेगा, वो मेरे बारे में ऐसा सोचेगा, बिकॉज कि वी थिंक आफ्टर सीइंग द पीपल, सो वी ऑल्सो थिंक दैट दे सी मी, सो दे विल ऑल्सो थिंक अबाउट मी। सो दिस इज द थिंग कि over engaging into these material activities. So thus material activities are the conditioned soul's only engagement. Yes. But after coming in contact with Srimad Bhagavatam, we have understood that our real duty is मतलब there are spiritual activities too, and spiritual activities only, these material activities are because our desires to become god, we have come here, that's why we are doing material activities in try to being god. But because we have now been enlightened by through Srimad Bhagavatam that our on Jivera Swarup hoy Krishnera Nityadas, that our real Swarupa is to remain a constant servant unto the lotus feet of Krishna. So that's why it is Sharupad says that we conditioned souls only engagement. And we can say that we are on the path of liberation. So not knowing the aim of life, the materialist perpetually. What does perpetually mean? There is a term perpetual motion in physics, which says that without any energy or without any human intervention, a thing moves continuously and without losing energy and without any stoppage. So that's why Sharpad is using this particular word perpetually, because a person in this material world never stops his struggle for his existence, perpetually wanders in this material existence, struggling to get the necessities of life, not understanding the aim of life. Even though he acquires sufficient necessities, we can see that many people who are elite class, who are rich class, that even if they have got everything a person can get in their life, still they are struggling for life. Why? Because they have not understood that what is the aim of our life, what is the aim, what is हम जी रहे उसका, what is the purpose of life, why we are living, why, what is this place, I'm not मतलब before birth where I was, and after death where I will go. So this, after when a person get this type of queries, then we can say that he is actually a human being, because a human being gets this type of questions, that because all of this is temporary, one person has to die and death is inevitable. So what is the thing which is permanent and I can acquire that permanent thing, and after that also I can, after death I can also carry that. So this is the thing in Brahma Sutra. The first verse is था तो ब्रह्म जिज्ञासा, that oh, it is like a taunt to the human being, that oh foolish humans, after getting this human body, at least जिज्ञासा करो, था तो ब्रह्म जिज्ञासा, ब्रह्म के बारे में जिज्ञासा करो. So like this he manufactures artificial necessities and thus becomes more and more entangled, like a person trying to solve material problems with material solutions. एक मटेरियल प्रॉब्लम है, अगर समझ लो, classic example that if someone is hurting to walk to go long distance, the person humanity has invented cars. So but after inventing cars, so many things has been more problems have been occurred, like pollution, like many things, like लेबर, मतलब बहुत सारा नए नए, मतलब एक मटेरियल सॉल्यूशन लगाना जाओ तो और नए नए हजारों करोड़ों नए नए मटेरियल प्रॉब्लम्स आते हैं, एंड वी आर सो फुलिश दैट वी आर अगेन ट्राइंग टू सॉल्व दैट विथ material solutions. But we have to understand that every material solution there is a spiritual solution, which is especially mentioned in Srimad Bhagavad Gita. So you must understand this. He creates some mental situation whereby he needs greater and greater comforts. We must understand this because a classic example of Hiranyakashipu, that he had got all the three planetary systems of this material world, but one thing was humiliating him, that his own son was not his devotee but the devotee of Vishnu. So that's why this only one small reason caused him, because it attacked his false ego, and false ego is the most subtle thing a devotee can. मतलब हिरण्यकशिपु भक्त थे, he was one of the Jai Vijay from Vaikuntha, but at that drama of Hiranyakashipu being Hiranyakashipu, he was not a devotee. So we must understand this, that even if a person getting the comfort of three planetary systems, of all the higher planetary systems, lower planetary systems, and Bhuloka, he is still not satisfied. Then what we can do with our mass chamdi ka sharir and this cloth, third class quality cloth and third class quality houses, we can become comforted. So we must question ourselves this. The materialist, Sherpad says that a materialist does not know the secret of nature's way as confirmed in Bhagavad Gita chapter 3 verse number 27. Prakrite kriyamanaani gune karmani sarvasah ahankara vimudatma karta hamiti manyate. Yes, this last two lines, ahankara vimudhatma karta hamiti manyate, I also try to remember this particular two lines to me also many times, because when I study I think of that goals, that मुझे ये कॉलेज में जाना है, मुझे ये करना है, इतना मार्क्स लाना है, या मुझे इतना पढ़ाई करना पड़ेगा कि मुझे करना है, दैट इज गुड, बट आई मस्ट नॉट बी लॉस्ट इन टू इट दैट कि मैं ही करता हूँ, बिकॉज एवरीथिंग एवरीथिंग हैपनिंग इन आवर लाइफ इज सैंक्शन बाय सुप्रीम पर्सनैलिटी ऑफ गॉड. That's why Krishna himself is saying that ahankar, a person with a false ego, and it is vimudha, he is foolish. Vimud atma means us. Karta ham iti manyate. He thinks that we are the only doers, but no. Nature is the person. Nature is the middleman who provides everything to the uh, beings. Here Sharpad translates this verse like this: the builder spirit soul, under the influence of the three modes of material nature, thinks himself to be the doer of activities which are in actuality carried out by nature. Yes, why Krishna says that thinks himself, देखो अहंकार विमूढ़ात्मा, thinks himself to be the doer of activities which are actually carried out by nature. Everything is written in our providence. When whatever we try, कि हमने ये कर दिया वो कर दिया, but still we didn't get the particular result, because that was not written in our destiny, that was not written in our providence. The providence or the destiny, the so-called destiny in the modern age, we say it is only can be changed by Krishna consciousness. Sharpad has told in one perfect verse. I don't have my phone here, or I would have read that verse. Verse nahi, Sharpad ka specific quote, that he says that the destiny or the karmic reactions can only be changed after a person comes into Krishna consciousness and surrenders to Krishna. So yes, Yeshurpad explains this, that due to lusty desires, the living entity creates a certain mental situation whereby he wants to enjoy this material world. Lusty desires, the root cause is our lusty desire. The living entity creates a mental situation. This is a mental situation. We are living in this material world. It is a mental situation that we are contemplating कि मैं ये enjoy करूँगा, वो enjoy करूँगा, but असल में कुछ चल नहीं रहा होता है. Like a person that he is traveling in a, he is going to a desert, और चलो एक बहुत कड़ी धूप चल रही है बाहर, एंड पर्सन आफ्टर वॉकिंग 1-2 किलोमीटर ही कम्स टू होम, मतलब वो चल रहा है और घर जा रहा है. ही थिंक्स दैट आई वुड ड्रिंक 1 लीटर वाटर. वो बहुत प्यासा है और वो सोचता है कि आई वुड ड्रिंक 1 लीटर वाटर. नो, 1 लीटर ऑफ कोल्ड वाटर आफ्टर कमिंग फ्रॉम द फ्रिज, मतलब फ्रिज में से निकाल कर. नहीं, 1 लीटर नहीं, आई वुड ड्रिंक 10 लीटर्स ऑफ वाटर. इतना मैं प्यासा हूँ, इतना मुझे भूख करने की इच्छा है. But after he comes home and he takes the 10-liter jar of water and drinks, he drinks 500 ml, he drinks very मुश्किल से 1 लीटर, और ड्रिंक कर करके भी ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा 1.5 लीटर पानी पिया, फिर उसको लगा कि मैं इतना भोग करने का सोच रहा था, फिर हुआ पिया तो मैंने इतना ही 1.5 लीटर. So this is the thing. Even if we try to contemplate that I would enjoy like this, like that, but our situation is like that we are not made for enjoyment, because our Krishna Jivera Swarupa Krishna Nityadas. We are meant to serve. If a person is not serving Krishna or God, there is a saying that a person is not serving God, he is forced to become a servant of dog, because a person's nature is to become a servant. Yes, see many times people roam on streets with their dog because they are serving their dog, not their dog is serving them. So we must understand that who, अगर हमको कुछ ना कुछ करना है, वी हैव टू सर्व एनीवन. हमारे भोग में भी हम किसी की सेवा ही कर रहे हैं. अगर मैं गेम खेल रहा हूँ तो मैं किसी की सेवा ही कर रहा हूँ, क्योंकि उस जो जिसका मैं गेम खेल रहा हूँ उसको ही प्रॉफिट पहुँच रहा है. अगर मैं किसी के अंडर में जॉब कर रहा हूँ तो मैं बॉस का सेवा कर रहा हूँ. अगर मैं किसी के अंडर में कुछ भी कर रहा हूँ, एनीथिंग आई डू, आई एम rendering service to anyone or anything else, but we have to direct that rendering service, हमारा जो नेचर है, टू द सुप्रीम पर्सनैलिटी ऑफ गॉड है, टू एक्चुअली गेट रिजल्ट्स फ्रॉम इट. सो दिस वॉज द थिंग. ही दस बिकम एंटेंगल्ड, क्योंकि हम जितना भी सर्विंग इन दिस मटेरियल वर्ल्ड, ये भावना रहेगी कि एंजॉय मेंटेलिटी, वो और उसमें एंटेंगल्ड और बंधता जाएगा उसमें, enters different bodies and suffers in them. So this is the thing. We are constantly changing bodies, but after so many lifetimes, ब्रह्मांडे भ्रमिते कोनो भाग्यवान जीव, कोई एक भाग्यवान जीव आता है, गुरु कृष्ण प्रसादे पाए भक्ति रता बीज. आफ्टर रिसीविंग दैट गुरु एंड कृष्णा's prasad, means extreme mercy, he receives the seed of devotional. So whoever listening to this video, even if you are not a devotee or a devotee, we must apply this principle in our lives and try to restrain our senses and not, and instead, restrain तो नहीं कर सकते, बट कहाँ पे तो लगाना ही है. So instead use our senses in the service of Krishna, use our money in the service of Krishna, use our everything, like Bali Maharaj, who surrender everything including himself to Krishna. So like this we can parajay the death which is inevitable. So this was the समम बानम ऑफ दिस वर्स, जितना भी मैं समझा पाया. सो इफ़ देर इज़ अ समथिंग मतलब अगर मेरे से कोई गलती होगी तो प्लीज़ मुझे क्षमा करना, एंड प्लीज़ प्रे फॉर दिस फॉलन सो दैट आई ऑल्सो एलिवेट इन स्पिरिचुअल लाइफ. मैं आपको बोल रहा हूँ बट मैं खुद भी इसका पालन कर पाऊँ. सो दैट्स इट फॉर टुडे. थैंक यू वेरी मच. हरे कृष्णा. श्री श्री राधा गिरिधरी भगवान की जय. श्रीला प्रभुपाद की जय. गौरा प्रेमानंदे हरि हरि बोल. आप सब भक्त वृंद की जय.